Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you've probably read from the title, we're going to be doing a little bit of organizing together. It has been a while since I've organized my bathroom, so I have a little storage that I got from IKEA that holds all of my makeup in it, and it's getting a little bit full, so I might take some of the makeup out that I have in there and place it with my new makeup. I have a box of makeup that I haven't opened yet, so some of the things that I'm not really using on a day-to-day basis I might remove from there and pop in with that box. Then I have a basket near the shower where I keep my hair products like hairdryer, hair straightener, curler, a few tan bits and pieces, but it's just getting a little bit messy. I think it's been like over a year since I've cleaned that one up. And then there's the storage behind my mirror. So I have a mirror that sort of folds out and then I've got all like storage inside. So I need to go through that as well and just give it a bit of a wipe down and reorganize the things that are in them. I've also had a really productive morning this morning, which is good. I filmed a morning routine, so I'm excited for you guys to see that, although by the time this video is up, you may have already seen it, and if you haven't, then head over and check it out. I also took lots of photos and lots of videos for Instagram so that they are ready to post. I have made a video before on here letting you know on a little tip to being as productive as possible, which is using one day a week to create all your content and videos and everything so that you have the rest of the week to do other work. So for me, that day is today, so I'm trying to get my whole week's worth of content done today so that for the rest of the week I can just focus on my brand. While I've got you here as well, I have received a few deliveries, so I thought I would open them with you. I know when I watch other people's videos, I enjoy seeing what they receive, and I'm always looking for new products to try. So I'm going to go through these ones here with you. It's going to be a short one because there's only 2 parcels to show you. So the first one is from DNA Organics. And as you know, I've been using their products for over a year now. So in this delivery, I got the Day Volume shampoo and conditioner. So this is great if your hair is feeling a little bit flat or you feel like you need some extra volume in your hair. Next, I got the Spray Shine Argan Oil. So I get a lot of questions, especially recently, on how I get my hair to look so shiny and healthy all the time. So what I do is after I finish styling my hair, I just grab the Spray Shine Argan Oil and I spray it over my hair and just brush it out with my hands, and then that's how I achieve this really shiny, healthy look. And last but certainly not least is probably my all-time favorite hair product from DNA Organics, which is the Primrose Rico Mask. And this one here is award-winning as well, and it just makes such a difference to your hair. It honestly just leaves your hair feeling like you've just left a salon. I have never experienced my hair so soft from home. And I think this is one of the major things that has contributed to my hair being so healthy like it is today. And speaking of, I've been thinking of doing a hair journey video, so dedicating a whole video just to my hair because I get so many questions about it, and running you through my journey because my hair wasn't always long and my hair wasn't always as healthy. So I'm going to be doing a video explaining really all of the products that I use and what I do and what I did to get my hair to be this healthy. Because I have quite a few photos that I've come across and I'm like, wow, I don't even remember my hair looking that bad. So I think that might be an interesting video to do. And the next delivery that I received was from Clean Addiction. So this is a very new brand that has just come out, and they have a variety of products. So I got a few things from them. One was a tan, and I am tanning once a week at the moment, even though we're in isolation. It just makes me feel good about myself. When I'm tan, I just feel better. So I'm really excited to try this. And this one here is actually organic with only natural ingredients, which is a bonus. The next thing from this brand that I received was a cleanser, and this one here is from Skin and Tonic. And they cater for different skin types as well. So when I was speaking to the beautiful lady from Clean Addiction, she asked me what sort of skin I have, and based on your skin type, they will provide you with the correct cleanser. And I think to go with that is they have a little cloth, so that's to remove your makeup with, I'm pretty sure. And then I received a moisturizer which has SPF 30, which is always a bonus, I think. And with these products here, I'm not going to go too in depth about them now because I'm going to do a separate video just focusing on these products and showing you how I apply them and giving you some feedback on them as well. Now that that's done, let's jump into the bathroom and get started in there. Okay, so as you can see, this is the storage that I keep all of my makeup in. It's actually not too bad. So this stuff here is the stuff that I use every day. Then down here, it's when it gets a little bit, and don't mind the dust, I need to dust these off as well. See, I'm starting to just like chuck things in here. So the things that I'm not using every day, I'm going to take out and then store somewhere else. And then down here as well, there's a few things that I've just got placed on top. Things like this that don't fit into my lip compartment. So I'm just going to filter through as well and just see what I'm using every day and what I'm not. Okay, so that's done. So this is the stuff that I've taken out. So it actually wasn't that much, and I've left 2 gaps in there for 2 lipsticks, which I'm currently wearing at the moment, which I took out. In here now, at least everything fits and there's nothing overflowing. So just these bits here, which I'm not yet ready to use because they are new and I haven't yet run out of the ones that I'm using at the moment. Same with the mascara and everything else here. These lipsticks are just lipsticks that I'm not using at the moment. And this I'm just going to keep the same because this is the stuff that I use every day. So now that that's done, let's move on to the next thing. So next we just have this basket, and I usually use this for my hair things, tan, and like a random other things like body scrubs and things like that. But it's just been a while since I've organized it, so I'm going to take everything out and then reorganize it. So that was pretty gross. Some of the tan had leaked and have gone all over the lining of the inside of the basket. So I've just emptied everything out, given a bit of a wipe down. Whatever was already stained from the tan, obviously I can't really clean, but at least it's tidy. So now that that's done, I'm going to move into the inside of my cupboard. So this is the current situation inside my cupboard, and as you can see, it has gotten very, very messy. So I'm just going to pop you down and you can watch me sort this out. Okay, so that's done. So as you could see, I didn't really remove anything. I just took it out, wiped it, and then reorganized it just so it's nice and tidy, and it looks a lot better than it did before. Okay, so this is the overflowing stuff that didn't fit in the bathroom, and this is the box that I was telling you about before. So this is all new makeup that I have not yet used. So what I'm going to do is just add these things here that didn't fit in the bathroom in with this box here and store it until I need to use these products. Okay, so I'm glad that's done. I have been putting that off for a while. I love organizing things. It just makes me feel so much better after, which maybe I should do my wardrobe with you as well, because that hasn't been done for a while. I always keep things fairly tidy, but every now and then it's nice to take everything out and then put it back in. So now I have a few more photos that I need to take for Instagram. Then I have a few orders to pack, and then I need to bring them to the post office. So I think I'm going to leave this video here. Like I've mentioned, if you are enjoying these styles of videos, then please let me know by liking or letting me know. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.